Okay, so I'll make it quick for showing you that, as I said, the next video would be that it'll be the white lettering. So therefore, if you have a photo that it's darker, so it's going to open, or white would work better. So in this case, I'm going to go to my computer. I think I have one from a student. Some of you will recognize that photo. So I'm going to go in here, use this one. I'll say open. And right away, I'm going to go and get a new calendar. Go to open. It's on my desktop. Assignment folder, pickup folder, Ms. Mozichuk, photography 10, calendar. I'm going to say, I think I did choose May, so I'm going to choose June 2016. Press open. Okay, so first thing is I'm going to go and check this out. First part is just the image. Go to image size. This is 72. That's definitely not the right size, and I want to make that to be pixel per inch. So Control T, Control 0. Oops, cancel. Control T. Okay, yeah. Oh, no, this is going to be okay. So I'm going to go to June. And the first thing I'm going to do is that you can actually just go in here and invert it right away. So I'm going to go to File, select Filter. And I'm going to go invert. So Control I. Yeah, there you go. You can see Control I. So I don't know where it is, but as you can see, so this is inverted. So therefore I get the white lighting and the background is actually black. So I'm going to click and drag this to this guy. Let it go into the middle. In this case, it works perfectly to be not too bad. So now in this case, when you go into the mode, you go to the mode and change that to screen. So you already seen that before. Go to screen, as you can see, this is pretty good. And then you say Control J to duplicate that layer, at least to have 3 layers of this. And again, you can do the same thing as if you want to, is that you can actually make a background that's going to be darker, as you see the previous video. Go back if you don't know how to create a background that's going to be transparent. So as simple as just that if you want white letters, just go and find the actual calendar, Control I to invert the actual colors. Afterwards, bring it into your photo. So once again over here, I'm going to do it a different way in this guy. I'm going to go to Control Shift Alt E. So go to the top layer, Control Shift Alt E creates a picture of what is below. So I'm going to click and drag that to my template photo. And as you can see, it's way bigger. Control T and Control 0. Come on, why are you not? Control 0. There we go. So I'm going to resize this guy to fit into here. So it'll be like this. Hold on to Shift. And I think it'll be not too bad. So the main thing is that I want to have the picture to show the calendar. So press Enter. Now, here's a good example, because I'm pretty sure that what's going to happen is that if I'm going to click onto this guy and drag it in here, and you'll see, oh, it's actually way bigger. So you can see like this is way bigger than the first one. So here's what happens. Go back to your template, and before you drag it, C or go to Crop Tool, select it all, press Enter once, and after that, if you press under the V key or use the Move tool, click and drag, bring it in front. As you can see, now it matches. So now it's like, then you have these two, then you can go and actually print. So in here, I'm going to show you the next video how to actually make sure that the printers work. Okay, in my case it would, but it's sometimes a little bit different. So I got these 2 copies. You'll have to cut these out in order to put into the box. So that'll be good.